This is my first talking video, and the topic I'll be going to discuss today, that is, you haven't heard it before. That's what I can assure you. And if you know about it, when I'll be going to say that, please let me know in the comments that how you do it, how you implement it in your life. Self-assessment. Have you heard this term? If you don't, then this video is for you. Today I want to ask you some questions. Every day we stay busy. Work, study, family, responsibilities, social media. But before going to bed, do you spend 5 minutes of your time with yourself? And that's what I want to say. This is what I do every night before going to bed. And let me tell you, this will make you a better person tomorrow if you start doing it by today. So, what do I do? It is the first one. What did I do well today? আমি আজকে ভালো কি করেছি? That's I should be grateful of myself. It is not that you have to do something great every day, has to be খুব ভালো কিছু করতে হবে every day, like a blast হতে হবে. It's not that. It can be small one also. Like if I want to tell you my experience is like that. I have helped someone, or I have finished a small task today that I have promised to me that I will do by today. Maybe I got through a difficult day. That is also. Second question. What could I have done better today? যদি আজকে দিনটা আমি কিছু করে স্পেন্ড করে থাকি, তাহলে এর থেকে বেটার কি কোনো কাজটাকে আমি করতে পারতাম? It's not to blame yourself. It's to just to ask yourself questions. You can give the answers from yourself, from your end. Like, did I get angry today a bit? Or did I hurt someone with my word? Or did I avoid something that I should have done today? The third question is, what is the one thing that I want to do better tomorrow? হয়তো কোনো কাজ এমন থাকে যেটা আমি ভাবি যে আমি কালকে আরো বেশি ভালো করে করব। So what is the thing that I can do better tomorrow? It happens little by little, day by day. It is a continuous process, but trust me, this is a long procedure. Today you will get benefited in a long term, and real changes doesn't happen in one day. So before going to bed today, ask yourself this question: what did today's version of me leave for the tomorrow's version of me? আজকের যে ভার্সনটা আমার কাটালাম আজকের দিনটা, তাতে আমার কালকের ভার্সনটা কি হতে পারে? Any improvement I need to do by tomorrow? Any good thing that I can achieve by tomorrow? Negative is always by today. Whatever I have done by today up till this time, this is my negative. Tomorrow, what it will be, that will from my end, that will be positive. I don't know what the environment has kept for me, but from my end it can always be positive. So I think if you like this version of me, so please let me know in the comment. And this is the thought I do, pauses, and I do it. It is not that from all of a sudden it has come to my mind and I make a video like this. No, this is the thing I had from like years in me. Maybe I thought that I can share it. So I think if you can do it by today, means you can start it by today, you can see what change it can bring in your life. Good luck.